In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Notion 2025. By the end, you'll have a sleek, playable Spotify widget right inside your Notion page, perfect for study playlists, focus tracks, or anything you want to keep at hand while you work. Start on the Spotify website using the web player in your browser. Navigate to the exact song you want to feature so you're looking at the track's title and artwork. Hover over or right-click the track, then click the three dots that open the More Options menu. This menu is where Spotify keeps all the sharing tools you'll need. From there, choose Share and then select Embed. Spotify will show you a quick preview of what the embedded player will look like, along with a block of code. Go ahead and copy that embed code. It includes everything. Notion needs to display a mini Spotify player, complete with the track's cover art and playback controls. Keep it on your clipboard. We'll paste it in a moment. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want the music to live. Click into the page, type /embed to insert an embed block and select it when it appears. Notion will prompt you for a link or embed input. Paste the code you just copied from Spotify and then click Embed Link. Give it a second to load. You should see the Spotify player appear directly in your page so you can play, pause, and scrub without leaving Notion. That's the whole process. A couple of quick tips to make it even smoother. You can drag the corners of the embedded player to resize it or place it side by side with your notes using columns for a cleaner layout. If you're embedding multiple tracks or curating a vibe for a project, repeat the same steps for each item. The embed option works the same way for songs, albums, playlists, and podcasts you find on the Spotify website, so you can build out a full listening section inside your workspace. If the player doesn't load right away, double-check that you pasted the complete embed code and that your internet connection is stable. Some playback controls may depend on your Spotify account and region, but the visual embed, BA'd, should appear as long as the code was copied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected Spotify to Notion using Spotify's Share and Embed feature and Notion's Embed block. Save your page, hit play, and enjoy having your soundtrack built right into your workflow.